Welcome back to the channel. Today we are bringing you something truly extraordinary, the 2025 Rolls Royce Motorhome, an ultra-luxury RV that feels more like a moving palace than a vehicle. Imagine sitting inside your car and witnessing the perfect blend of futuristic design, cutting-edge performance, and the unmistakable touch of Rolls Royce craftsmanship. This is not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement on wheels, designed for those who want to travel the world without ever leaving behind the comfort of a private luxury mansion. From the outside, the 2025 Rolls Royce Motorhome instantly captures attention with its bold futuristic bodywork, sleek aerodynamic lines, and signature Rolls Royce grille. The golden accents on the wheels and edges add an elegant touch, while the tall structure and wide stance give it a commanding road presence. The vehicle sits on 6 massive wheels designed to handle both highways and long cross-country adventures with stability and smoothness. LED headlights and a modern lighting setup highlight its futuristic appeal, making it one of the most striking RVs ever created. Step inside and you are welcomed into a world of luxury that feels closer to a 5-star hotel than an RV. Plush leather seating, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows create an atmosphere of relaxation and elegance. Multiple floors allow for private bedrooms, a spacious lounge, a dining area, and even a terrace-like outdoor space. Every corner is designed with Rolls-Royce's trademark attention to detail, using the finest materials from polished wood to hand-stitched leather. Advanced technology is seamlessly integrated with touchscreen controls, automated climate systems, and AI-assisted driving features, ensuring both comfort and convenience at every step. When it comes to performance, the Rolls Royce Motorhome is powered by a high-performance hybrid engine that delivers smooth power, efficiency, and the ability to handle long-distance journeys without compromise. The ride is whisper quiet, offering the signature Rolls Royce magic carpet experience, even in a vehicle of this size. Safety features, smart navigation, and adaptive systems ensure that luxury is matched with reliability and peace of mind. All of this comes at an exclusive price, with estimates suggesting this masterpiece will cost several $1 million, making it one of the most expensive motorhomes in the world. But for those who can afford it, the 2025 Rolls Royce Motorhome offers an unmatched travel experience, combining luxury, performance, and innovation like no other.